Hello all. So in the previous videos we have seen how to just blink an LED, and then we have seen how to print a customized text on an LED matrix in Arduino Uno R4 Wi-Fi, right? In this video we will see how to scroll a text in Arduino Uno R4 Wi-Fi. So this is based on the example that is provided in Arduino website. So for this, we need basically two libraries. One is Arduino LED matrix support, and the other one is the Arduino graphics. So you can install both of them from the library manager. Okay, and then the first thing, as we did, we are going to create an object matrix. So in the setup, what we are going to do is we are first going to begin, and then for drawing something on the matrix, we first start with begin draw function. So this is the method that is part of the Arduino graphics library, and then basically we have red LEDs that are supported on this LED matrix of Arduino Uno R4. So the stroke that is set to red by default, and then we are having a string array which is being sent on the customized text that need to be initially printed, and then we are setting the font. So the font basically determines the matrix of LEDs that need to be printed. So that means 4 cross 6 is the configuration that we are going to set here as per this. You can set your requirement as per your convenience, and then begin text. So again here there are some optimized display things which are being used. If you go beyond this 4 cross 6, you can see that text is not so clear to read. So generally we use 4 cross 6, and then what we are doing is we are doing a begin dot text. So what this means is basically we are going to start from 0th row and then the first column, and with a red color display, and we are going to print using println, and once this is done we are going to end the text. Okay, so once all this done, if you want to do something post this, you have to first end the draw. So begin draw, end draw, these are the starting and ending points of the graphics. So end draw, that means you are going to clear the screen, you are going to wait for some time, here 2 seconds basically, and then in the loop what we are doing is again we are going to do begin draw stroke, and here we are going to display we are going to scroll a text. So text speed at which this need to be scrolled is set here. It depends on your requirement, and the text to be scrollen is added to a string, and again same thing, set the font, begin the text and print the text and end it, and end a draw. So once you have this code uploaded, you will see the following display. You can see the scrolling here.